Costa Rica is known for its 6 active volcanoes, but it is also home to the volcano hummingbird. This small hummingbird isn't found on the volcanoes in the northern part of the country, but a subspecies lives on the slopes of Poas and Barva volcanoes. A second subspecies lives on the slopes of Irazu, and still another in the Talamanca Mountains of southern Costa Rica. Its range extends into western Panama. The volcano hummingbird is common above 1,800 meters, can even go lower after breeding season. They prefer open, brushy areas and second growth, and also can be found in the paramo, above tree line. Many insect-pollinated plants are visited, such as salvia, fuchsias, rubus, and miconia. The distinctive 3 populations are distinguished by the male's gorget, which is more bluish in the Talamancas, while those from the Poas and Barva volcanoes are reddish to purple, and those on Irazu volcano have a paler throat. The females pretty much look all alike. Since they are so small, they sometimes sneak into territories of fiery-throated hummingbirds to steal their nectar and get driven off. Females can set up shop in the territory of their mate and can forage hassle-free. Even these tiny hummingbirds perch and defend their patch of flowers. The males make these towering dive displays. So flowers with long corollas like this fuchsia and hylia present a problem. But a solution is provided by bumblebees and flower piercers that make holes at the base of the flower that the volcano hummingbirds use to access the nectar. The verbena stachytarphida is called porterweed in English and rabo de toro in Costa Rica. It's God's gift to Costa Rican hummingbirds. At this feeder, several female volcano hummingbirds maintain their own against the much larger lesser violet ear and green-crowned brilliant.